Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by nailing the 4 core chords: C, G, a minor, and F. Play each chord cleanly, then switch between them in the song progression so your hands learn the shapes. Once comfortable, add a simple left-hand bass on beats 1 and 3 and a soft arpeggio on beats 2 and 4 to support the melody. Make sure to use a metronome at 60 to 80 beats per minute. This builds steady timing and prevents rushing as you add the right-hand tune. Now focus on the melody. Pick the song's vocal line and learn it in short phrases of 2 to 4 bars. Play the right-hand line slowly, then match each phrase to the underlying chord so you understand why notes fit. Once done, put hands together. Start with one phrase, then repeat until smooth. If timing is tricky, drop to 1/2 tempo and play slowly for accuracy. Gradually increase speed while keeping clean note shapes and consistent dynamics, so the melody sings over the harmony. To finish, assemble the verse and chorus sections and practice the transitions where chord progressions shift. Pay attention to dynamics, play verses softer and bring more weight to the chorus, so the song breathes. Once done, rehearse the ending phrase and practice a clean cadence to close. If something goes wrong, isolate the troublesome bars and loop them slowly until your fingers and timing align. Make sure to check fingering choices. Consistent fingering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.